Okay. There's a song that my boys want me to sing them every time they go to sleep. It's called Little Bird. And I don't know if I can sing it without them here, but I'm pretty sure I can sing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now and sing the Little Bird song. I'm kind of nervous. I'm actually really nervous because I don't ever sing for anybody. So as you can tell, I keep running my mouth. Alright. There's a little bird somebody sent down to the earth to live on the wind, blowing on the wind, and she sleeps on the wind. This little bird somebody sent, light and fragile and feathered sky blue, thin and graceful, the sun shining through. She flies so high up in the sky, way out of reach of human eyes. Light and fragile, she's feathered sky blue, thin and graceful, the sun shining through. And the only time that she touches ground is when that little bird is when that little bird is when that little bird dies. The end. That's actually an extra track in the Jewel Pieces of Me CD. Found at the very, very back if you let the last track run. I don't know why I started singing it to them, but I definitely did. And they want Little Bird all the time. So, yeah. There you go. Now you guys have heard Cat sing. Woo! Bye.